Steganography is the art of hiding data within other data, and it's actually been around for thousands of years. In more modern day settings, this is done in binary formats, so we hide binary channels within other binary files. So this can be images, Office documents, or anything to that effect. But what we found recently is that attack campaigns are actually leveraging image steganography to deliver secondary stage payloads. So we specifically targeted image formats to try and disrupt this part of the attack chain, which attackers are readily using in their most modern campaigns. Steganography mitigation fundamentally requires the alteration of binary data to destroy the hidden streams. But what we found when we were looking at image steganography specifically is that the human eye, or the human visual system, has a limit on the fidelity and the quality of which we perceive sight. So we actually use statistical metrics such as peak signal to noise ratio or the structural similarity index measurements to determine where the statistical limit aligns with the human visual system's ability to determine a difference. And when we were destroying image-based steganography streams, we found that the statistical boundary was actually far higher than that of the human visual system, which meant we didn't have to alter it as much to destroy those hidden streams while still maintaining that the human eye couldn't notice the difference. We're implementing the mitigation technologies that we highlighted from our research as part of the general engine offering. Part of the CDR process is that files are disseminated into their constituent parts and then analyzed for both specification adherence, but equally for image files and other data which will be supported, steganography mitigation will also be applied. But this is done recursively. So this means that an image embedded inside a Word document or a PowerPoint will also be processed in the same way a standalone image would be. So it doesn't matter where an attacker tries to hide image-based steganography streams, they're still going to be disrupted and they're still going to be processed to eliminate these threats.